Friends, good evening, and my name is Mohammed Sami, and today I am going to show you my balcony garden and especially the Queen of the Night flower. And today, most of my Queen of the Night flower has bloomed, and almost I have 12 or 15 plant flowers. And today is like best day. My kids were also waiting for a couple of weeks for today, and this Queen of the Night flower only bloom once in a year. So let's not waste time, and I will just show you quickly my Queen of the Night flowers. So yeah, you can see here like I have bunch of this is I have this one tree, and in this you will see lot many flowers. Yes. Wow, so today is like one beautiful day, basically night. And all the flowers are like hanging out of my balcony. So I had almost 31, 32 flower birds. Like few of the flower birds you can see here which will bloom maybe tomorrow. So I still have flower birds which will bloom tomorrow. So I have total around 31, 32 flower birds, but due to the high wind and it was like little crazy weather in last 4 5 days, so few of the birds have broken and fell. But yeah, still 21, 22 survived. So if you want to know the name of scientific name also, so Queen of the Night is also called Epiphyllum oxypetalum, and in my balcony garden, uh, I have many other plants. So uh, just have a look of at few of other flowers and plants. And basically this side of a balcony I don't get sunlight. So only the like for this particular plant Queen of the Night, what all part is outside of the balcony, basically that part get some of the sunlight. This particular part which is hanging out, and rest all inside I basically I don't get any sunlight, so you will not see many flowering plant in this balcony. But I have another two balcony and I have many other flowers there. Maybe I will create some other video on that.